In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get cooling fans here in Arc Raiders. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you really just hop at the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is hit play, and you're going to want to go into a specific map and a specific area. For example, if we open up Buried City and then hit inspect, what you're going to want to do is look for something that has like this little technological symbol on it. It kind of looks like a computer chip. As you can see, there's one in this little space travel area right here, as well as other areas around the map as well. But essentially, go ahead and look specifically in these red marked zones, as well as these yellow marked zones with that little technological symbol on it. And once you are in these areas, search for tall server cabinets. Breach them, and they often do contain cooling fans. Other technological areas around the map are going to work the exact same way, but if you focus on these high-tech locations, you will have the best chances of finding those cooling fans quick. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.